Any employee resigns or relieved or discharged, dismissed, died or superannuated, that time how to calculate? Today we are going to see annual leave with wages in this video. Any employee resigns or relieved or discharged, dismissed, died or superannuated, that time how to calculate? Calculation method is same, only when the employee is leaving because of discharge or dismissal or resigned, his account should be, that is encashment, leave encashment should be settled in 2 days. In case the employee is superannuated or he died, the amount is settled to the nominee or the employee within 2 months. Now, Occupational Health and Safety and Working Condition Code is coming. In that, how the leave is treated. All the provisions are same except two. The eligibility condition. From January to December, instead of 240 days, if the employee is worked for 180, then he is eligible. As well as the employee joins in between, the eligibility criteria of 2/3 becomes 1/4. 1/4 day on his working day he has worked means he is eligible for earned leave. We will see some more provisions on annual leave with wages. Carry forward. Section 79(5) defines about carry forward. Usually many companies having different policies on carry forward. Some companies carry forward 30, 60 or 180 like that. But as per Act, 30 days can be carry forward. Section 79(6) defines how leave to be applied. Leave to be applied in writing, that also before 15 days he or she has to apply. In case of public utility service, 30 days before the employee should apply leave. As well as in year, 3 times only the employee can avail this leave. These all the conditions will not be applicable if the employee is availing this leave for his illness. So there is no 15 days or 30 days as well as 3 times. Section 78 as well as section 79, 8 and 9 clearly says any settlement or agreement between works committee or union, if we have on this leave, that also that provision is having more facility than this act, then it is applicable. It is applicable for 1 year, that should be displayed as well as it should be communicated to the factory inspectorate. Next year renewal also same thing, we have to make agreement, renewal agreement, as well as it should be communicated to the factory inspectorate. How much wages to be paid for this leave? Same, full wages. Whatever normal he is going to get on working days, same wages to be paid. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and share to all your HR friends. We will come back with another subject. Thank you.